In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find how many participants can join your Zoom account. Let's get straight to it. The quickest way to confirm your meeting capacity is right on Zoom's plans and pricing page, because it summarizes your subscription and clearly lists how many people can join your meetings at once. Open your web browser and go to the Zoom website. At the top of the page, look for the navigation bar and select Plans and Pricing. It's usually easy to spot along the top panel, and a single click will take you to the page we need. Once the Plans and Pricing page loads, it will show the different Zoom offerings side by side. When you're signed in, this page also highlights your current plan so you can immediately see what you're on. That's useful because the participant limit depends on your plan. If you don't see your plan called out, you may not be signed in. Logging in ensures the page reflects your actual subscription instead of just general pricing. On this same page, find the section or card labeled Meetings. This is the key area that tells you how many participants your account can accommodate in a single Zoom meeting. For many accounts, you'll see a clear note that meetings can host up to 100 participants. That up to 100 number is the total number of people who can be in the meeting at once, including the host. If your plan supports more, it will show a higher number right there. If it shows 100, that's your current cap. A couple of quick clarifications to help you interpret what you're seeing. First, the meeting's participant limit is separate from features like webinars or events, which have their own capacities and are listed under different offerings. Second, add-ons such as Large Meeting increase the participant cap. If an add-on is part of your subscription, the higher limit will typically appear on this page as well. And if you're part of an organization with an account managed by an administrator, your capacity may be set at the account level, so what you see here reflects the organization's plan. If you're evaluating whether your current capacity is enough, this same plans and pricing page is also where you can compare options. It's a helpful reference for understanding what each plan includes and how participant limits change. That's all there is to it. Head to the Zoom website, open Plans and Pricing from the top panel, check the area labeled Meetings, and read the participant number listed there. With that, you'll always know exactly how many people can join your Zoom meetings on your current account.